Hey, what's up, y'all? Doing a lamb shank. It's like 12:30 in the morning. Gonna let it go all night, or at least a couple hours before I go to bed. You know, on low, slow and low. Gonna braise this motherfucker. Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm browning it up, or searing it a little bit before I set it to braise. I'm gonna do this in apple juice with the lid on all night on low heat. Or I might turn it off and just turn it back on when I get up. I don't want to burn the house down or nothing, you know. So that's what we're doing. 2 awesome meals in the same week. Merry Christmas, you guys. Okay, I just poured in some apple juice. It cooled off the sear, so I turn up the heat. Gonna bring the temperature back up, and I'm gonna put the lid on there. I put cumin, garlic salt, smoked paprika, chili powder, minced onion, salt and pepper in there. And I seared all the sides I could. Now I'm gonna put the lid on, and we're gonna braise this all night, maybe. This is what it looks like 45 minutes in, 30 to 45 minutes. You can already see the bone is doing its thing already. Yeah, man. Can't fucking wait. By the way, I'm doing tacos with these. If you ever see me using cumin, well, I didn't point it out, but there's cumin. We'll just go through the list. Garlic salt, smoked paprika, garlic or dried garlic, and salt and pepper. Man, I think I already went through this. Anyway, it's friggin' late, so yeah. Alright. There we are now. Braising like a motherfucker. Steaming up the camera. Look at that bone shrinking down. I'm gonna put it in the oven and braise it that way. I think it'll be safer that way on a low temperature. Look at that. We got a whole bone exposed on one of them. Looking awesome. Okay, got it in the oven. I'm gonna let this sit here on 175 overnight. So good, at least 8 hours. We're gonna go 173 for numerology reasons. If you know, you know. Hang on. Here's what they're looking like today after a night of slow and low at 173 degrees in the oven for a good 8 hours, 9 hours, I don't know. But since I got up and pulled it out of the oven and put it back on the stovetop, it's been about 4 hours now. And this is what we're looking at now. Looking delicious, smelling friggin' great. You don't even know. Lamb is the motherfucking shit. Gonna do some tacos later. Okay, I'm calling it. We're done. Looking great. Looking fabulous. There we go, guys. 2 lamb shanks. This is what we get. Bunch of meat. Enough to fill up this Tupperware bowl. Okay, I'm about to cut it up a little bit and then pour some of this braising liquid over it and let it marinate some more. Looking crazy delicious, you guys. Look at that. So this is what it looks like all chilled. Those juices got coagulated in the coldness and just sitting in there marinating that lamb shank meat. I'm about to build a couple tacos with this. And then just building tacos the way I usually do. I have other videos on this, but I'll try to keep up on this one. I'm working with this bag of chopped veggies I've had in the fridge for a couple days and just putting it all in the taco, you know. Just using what you got. Cheese on the bottom, some lamb shank right there, and then veggies, onion, cilantro, red pepper, mushroom. Just fold it over, let that cheese coagulate and keep it together, you know. Do that a few times. Just flip it over, get both sides crispy, and to set the tortilla so it doesn't fall apart, you know. Okay, one more time. There you go. Put more cheese, and then we fold it over and set it like so. Doesn't that look awesome? Look at this. There's two of them. I ate two already because I'm friggin' starving. So anyway, that's lamb shank tacos. There you go. Alright guys, have a good one. I'm out. Please watch these next videos on the screen and have a great day. I love you. Peace.